This is how to replace a seat cover on a Mercedes, that one back up there. Once you get the seat out, which is the hard part, you gotta recline it. Then you gotta pull off all these little tab thingies.
It's got hog rings too.
What kind of rings?
It's got hog rings. Yes, it does have hog rings.
What does that mean?
I have to.
So you don't need to take any of this off before you take it out of the car. It slides out as one piece. Oh, see, that holds the seat down on the front. So if you look in here, this is how it mounts to the seat. It goes through these little holes. There's some coat hanger-ish thing attached to it. So when the seat's apart, you can kind of see that this is for the sensor to show that there's somebody sitting in there. This is really what it looks like inside the bottom of the seat. And as you can see right here, this is how it's hooked in there. Oh, look. So that goes through there. This is harder than it looks, says the mechanic. Oh, look, this came out from where it was, through the middle.
Right through there.
But under the thing. So this went under here and then through this hole. Now this is the hard part here. There's little hooks involved in this.
Hog rings. Hog rings.
Hog rings. I don't know how a hog ring works,
I'll show you once I get it off.
but it looks like it's definitely holding the seat on pretty well. He's in there with the tools. It's some piece of metal. He's unringing it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see. There's a metal thing in there. There's a metal thing in there, and it's attached to it. Oh, it popped right off. Oh, no, it didn't pop right off. He broke the hog ring.
No, they have to be re-hog ringed.
You're
See?
going to need that on the next one.
See the hog ring pliers?
Oh, look. You're going to need a pair of hog ring pliers for this.
You don't really need it, but hold it up.
Do you have a collection of hog rings?
I do have hog rings.
Does this have a heated seat? No? Oh my goodness, look, there's hog rings down.
Here's the heated seat right here.
That's the heat. No, it isn't, is
Yeah,
it?
that's the heat.
This is the heat right here in the heated seat. There's another hog ring right down there. This looks like it's going to take a little bit of time. Eating into my money. So if you thought you were just going to stick the seat cover right on there and walk away, this is German engineering, and that
Watch the heated seat.
is harder than it was. We have an injury? We do have one injury from this. Look, the thumb. Top of the thumb.
Hog rings on the center.
But installing the seat, you wanted to take it out when it was fully into the back. Now, we're going to put the screws back into the holes.
Yeah, can you hand me those?
ML350 seat. We took it apart, put it back together. It worked out well, but we didn't get it all on video, so you can watch what we got.